In this video, I'm going to show you how to curve text in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project. Once you're in the workspace, select the Type tool from the left-hand toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas and type the text that you want to curve. After typing, adjust the text position and size on your canvas as needed to fit your design. Once your text is ready, double-click on the text layer to select it. Then, navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Warp tool. This will open the Warp panel, where you will see several options to manipulate your text. Look for the Style option and click on it. You will now see a variety of curving styles that can be applied to your text. The simplest and most commonly used style is Arc. Selecting Arc will curve your text immediately, giving it a smooth and balanced appearance. You can further refine the curve using the Bend slider. Moving the slider to the right will increase the curve upwards, while moving it to the left will curve the text downwards. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the horizontal distortion and vertical distortion sliders to customize the shape and orientation of your text even more precisely. Once you are satisfied with the result, click OK to apply the changes. Your text will now be perfectly curved and ready for your design. And this is how you can curve text in Photopea.